Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
The 3D formula example currently shown on screen looks like equals sum, open parenthesis, sheet 1, colon, sheet 3, exclamation point, B2, close parenthesis. And you can see that this is a 3D cell range reference that is used to create a formula. A 3D cell range reference is one cell range that spans several sheets deep. In this example, the cell range is cell B2, but it is cell B2 in all of the worksheets from sheet 1 through sheet 3. When referencing 3D cell ranges in formulas, you use the colon symbol to separate the names of the first and last sheets in the range, then followed by a single cell range reference. The cell reference is then used as the selected cell range reference through all of the referenced worksheets. So in this example, you are adding cell B2 from sheet 1, sheet 2, and sheet 3. In 3D ranges, the given cell range cannot change from one sheet to another. Otherwise, it is just another 3D formula, and you should use one of the other two alternate 3D formula syntaxes that are available.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.